Yeah, grass like this is perfect fuel to start a wildfire. And with windy conditions that we're seeing this week, all it takes is one cigarette butt to start a massive fire.
The fire season, yeah, it can be certainly year-round, but certainly the most prolific time that we would have the greatest chance of seeing the fires is during our spring into the early summer months.
National Weather Service meteorologist Glenn Lader says the worst month is typically May into June.
Probably the fire season is going to be less than normal. The areas that we're concerned about are kind of what we would consider the middle elevations, say from about 4,000 to 7,000 feet, where there's more grasses.
He says fuel levels are below average due to the moisture we've gotten this year. But he says it's still important to follow wildfire prevention tips.
It's always important to be fire wise. The spring is our windiest season. We're going to be windy for the next week pretty much every day. So it only takes one spark to start a wildfire.
Northwest Fire says to make sure brush and vegetation is either moist or cut down. They say to be extra cautious in these dry months.
If you have a flat tire or something, you pull over on the side of the road and you're on the freeway where maybe you have some of those lighter fuels, those grasses below you, that can be enough to start a fire. If you're towing a trailer and you have chains and they're not secured right and you've got the sparks, cigarette butts are always a concern. Even bonfires in the evening, making sure that you keep those ashes contained.
Captain Brian Keeley says the biggest threat comes from the brush around your house. He wants to remind people who live in areas outside of town to keep a 30-foot barrier around their house.
Now, of course, if you do see a fire, call 911 immediately. We have more tips on our website. That's KVOA.com. Sean, Alex, back to you.